こんにちは。映像作家の荒木優です。
Hi, my name is Araki, and I'm the director of the short film Fuel. First of all, I'm very thrilled and honored to have this work shown in this year's Japan Cuts, and I'd like to thank the entire team for making this happen in spite of difficult times. This film is set in Kushiro, Hokkaido at one of the oldest and original robateki restaurants in Japan. This restaurant really exists, and immediately upon discovery, I fell in love with this place, the atmosphere, the interior, and the people working, especially our protagonist Shizuko, who is an expert griller. She works there every day. She's quite an elder, but apparently there's no one who would take over her spot, so I thought it was worth documenting on camera. Following the style of observational documentary and cinema verite, this film became a portrait of this special place. You may find it a bit slow in terms of editing, but please bear with me for the sake of slow cooking. Lastly, stay safe wherever you are, and I hope you enjoy the film. Thank you for watching.
じっくりお楽しみください。